I always said my first album will be my last album because I didn't expect to make it past 25. I didn't expect to make it past 26. For me, I wanted to go out young like Tupac. I wanted to die young like Tupac. I wanted to die like a Kurt Cobain. Suicidal thoughts is not anything new to me. It might seem like, you know, now it's time for every rapper and every artist to talk about having anxiety and being suicidal. I can testament to people that I know what suicidal thoughts are. I know what trying to go through with suicidal thoughts is. I know how to even take it further. I know how to take it further. I've been there. I've been to that dark place. You know, we've swallowed the pills. We've done that. I felt okay that, oh fuck, I'm gonna die at 25. I might kill myself with this, you know, with this lifestyle. I might just kill myself with the lifestyle. And then you pick up and you're like, fuck. Yeah, you can say YOLO all day, but yo, you actually never die. Then you're like, you're 23, I'm not dead yet. Okay, 24, fuck, I'm not dying, I'm not going. 25, I'm gonna.
We take over the Sama, freedom of speech, armored like they did in Marikana. Rest in peace to all the martyrs, we will forever conquer, cause you struggled and now armed.
Hlasela Thathi khali zakho ushone empini Hlasela Thathi khali zakho ushone empini Uyolelisa salakho Lakho Lakho
Crooked ways, they gone straight. The young and brave, they caught strays. The young hectors who could run for the rest of them got put to bed by the feds in they dog ways, cause they speak another language. Killed by peace when he was trying to find peace, so a piece of understanding. 4 centuries and still no sense around it, but in return the young and free get to reach for another planet. There's so much to be grateful for. The mere option of being great or poor. I've seen products of when the greatest fall. Young C's a product, man, what you waiting for? Go out and go for gold, oh the moment. Man, that's what a wise man once told me. When the coders speak, they don't need the sugarcoat it. Tell them straight, they can never dim your future if you hold it, yeah.
Graduated in the year 2016. Parents won't relate, I got these dreams in the 6 feet. Pressure to the metal, steam it up like a kettle and we shine bright. Even in the whispers of the devil so much. La Mapare trying to cut us off our dreams, but we fight with every breath, every fist, every beam. The power to the people and the power was within. See, it's Gigi to LeMay in a voice for the queens.
Thathi khali zakho ushone empini Hlasela Thathi khali zakho ushone empini Uyolelisa salakho Lakho Lakho Uyolelisa salakho Lakho Lakho
Never give up the fight, keep going till you get it right, yeah. Look at me, I was praying every night in the studio with a pen, all I did was write, hey. You don't have to be a rapper, you don't have to be a well-known actor. You just gotta fulfill your soul, feel free, and when I get to you, we'll see the rest after. Hlasela mganwa, indala kumele iphele noma kanjani. Get it how you live, nakekela abantwana at the crib. Hlasela mganwa, indala kumele iphele noma kanjani. Get it how you live, never lie to the kids. What's up?
Lights off, I wish a long life for those who fight for it. Put your lighters up for those who paid the price for it. Blood on the land, that's something heck to die for. Lights off, 25-hour days, no time off. Out of respect for those who paid kind for it. Lay down souls, not to give you the gold, but Hlasela Thathi khali zakho ushone empini Practically zakusho nempini uyolelisa salako lako uyolelisa salako
Okay, now I'm on song, let's do it like this. Now I'm on song, back. Papa died before he could tell me the truth about his youth. So I'm looking for living proof. They did what they did, so I do what I do. Spread love, I'm praying your dreams come true. Because Kuzima, when you're trying to do your thing, yeah, and everyone around you wanna change it, you wishing they would listen when you sing it, but you gotta keep on, you gotta keep on. Yeah.
Special dedication to my papa, Robin, I kept you from your mama. Even though I still don't have a summer, I will always shout out cause you missed all of those summers. Hey, and so we take over the summer, freedom of speech armored like they did in Marigana. Rest in peace to all the martyrs, we will forever conquer cause you struggled in our honor.
You got no more. Guess what's it? Jealousy down. Good times up. Pencil. Immortal pants. It's too much. It's all about jelly boy. But ungas nation I stand. Ungas nation I stand. Ungangish. Ungaikish when the song play, but ungaikish when the song play, but ungaikish. Pagi malyam ungangze, Urikiwi government, balitwel sintulelu chabaman. Sabangan balele su sabangan. Rabatel ichezi wu number 10. Ish, banamon, le malish sikon. Never die, my niggas is very young. If I die, my legacy carry on. Ish, banamon, your business a shanganang. Banamon, so it's fun, le bashi po me milan. Ish, ungangish, when the song play, but ungangish. Pagi malyam ungangze,
What it is? What's up? Can you please keep filling up my cup? What it is? What's up? Nigga cello, can we smoke up on a blunt? What it is? What's up? I'ma take your shawty from the club. What it is? What's up? I'ma take your shawty from the club.
Got your honey on the blood. Your girl chillin' in the cut. Got your honey on the blood. Your girl chillin' in the cut.
I'm that little cheeky nigga, that's why I got honeys. Too much with the drip, I call myself the tsunami. Yo, shawty love me, she's tryna cuff me. We in the club and she's tryna party with us, B. Do not get upset, you don't want no problems with us, B. I'ma take your shawty, look, there's nothing to discuss, B. When I start to whip it, just sounds too disgusting. Yeah, too disgusting. What it is? What's up? Can you please keep filling up my cup? What it is? What's up? Nigga cello, can we smoke up on a blunt? What it is? What's up? I'ma take your shawty from the club. What it is? What's up? I'ma take your shawty from the club.
Got your honey on the blood. Your girl chillin' in the cut. Got your honey on the blood. Your girl
okay, babe, let's do it like this. Double up, le maliya bumugab. Double cup, remisa kabula. Dubai high, she Abu Dhabi, ish. Abu Tamba Nabodal, Abu Tando Nabombal, Abu Eden Nabo ish. Sabanye se kuchi la shanganes. Sorry
sorry bafethu lempilo yethu shade ngecash ngeke bakhethe ufuna ukuthabetha mele usebenze ufuna bobi ungafe ngestress ungalingi uthi debit it's a check ungalingi uthi damage phuma madam ain't catching ngithi phuma madam.
What it is, what's up? Can you please keep filling up my cup? What it is, what's up? Nigga cello, can we smoke up on a blunt?
God, it's Major League.
I wake up every morning singing for money. For money, I'm singing.
Okay, now I'm gonna bust on the back. Hey, I get come on your swag and jenga. I get come on your shine, no man jenga. I get come on your no man jenga. I get come on your on and on jenga. Umpulu number 1. Danny Wami number 2. Ubega tina bega you. If you money young with my crew. Everything's good. I'm tryna pull up in the hood. I'm tryna pull up on the shore. She was hating on me, now she wants me. Engiti minu yangazi nana. Ungizwa ngenda. My name Ricky Rickstar. Engiti minu yangazi nana. Ungizwa ngenda. My name Ricky Rickstar. It's gotta be right. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be nice. I do this for you. Stay shining. Everybody stay shining. I'm tryna get up. They're pulling me down. Saying my name when I ain't around. Stay shining. Everybody stay shining. Ooh oh oh oh. 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 I wake up every morning singing for money. For money. I'm singing for money. I wake up every morning singing for money. For money. I'm singing for money. It's gotta be right. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be nice. I do this for you. Stay shining. Everybody stay shining. I'm tryna get up. They're pulling me down. Saying my name when I ain't around. Stay shining. Everybody stay shining. Ooh oh oh oh. 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 I wake up every morning singing for money. For money. I'm singing for money. I wake up every morning singing for money. For money. I'm singing for money.
Just to do her hair now, because she can, y'all.
God, it's Major League.
Oh, I love a Zulu girl. Oh, I say, oh, 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 I love a Zulu girl. Damn, I love a Zulu girl. Yeah, I said, damn, damn, I love a Zulu girl. Except, we don't wanna one sing, damn. We don't wanna one sing, damn. Except, we don't wanna one sing, damn. We don't wanna one sing, damn. Except, we don't wanna one sing, yeah. We don't wanna one sing, yeah. Except. Okay, back. What's the demo? Back. It's a demo. Let's do this, yeah. Hey, I'm with the poison, toys in, noise in, 100 stacks, always in, make your honey frozen. So got me no but I'm in. Why you want I'm in? When I'm up north, all they say is body man. Tell you try, cause you try, try. Hey, when it's a humble single guy, hey, humble single guy, hey. When we walk by, we are bad. 6 months, belly bag, some shy you tell you pack. Mong bonanya swanga, mong bonanya swanga. Hey, mong bonanya swanga, mong bonanya swanga. Hey, when I let it transferring gang manje siya hey wena thola umlomo zanga nemu yaswenga oh I love a Zulu girl oh I say oh I love a Zulu girl damn I love a Zulu girl yeah I say damn I love a Zulu girl except we don't wanna one Sunday we don't wanna one Sunday except we don't wanna one Sunday we don't wanna one Sunday except we don't wanna one Sunday we don't wanna one Sunday except we don't wanna one Sunday we don't wanna one Sunday
yeah I swear there's something about the Zulu girls. I kinda love it though, I swear you got the Buddha pearl. The meaning, the Fezzo Gucci Zulu girls. Ignore the twerking, know that's what the money do to girls. Woo! I'm just telling the truth. DBA and it's the factory, there's just so much to choose. Think I'm losing my mind, I don't know what to do. Cause I don't love her, but I pay 50K for a boost. Plus 10K for the shoes, 20K for the booze, 25 for the apartment. She said she's staying with 2 cousins from my mother's side to stay with her cause it's cool. But I ain't never seen these 2 bros with a book unless it's a magazine. Everything she say I believe. When we go out to eat, I spend 1,000 of these. I let her drive my car, she saw me post the crib. She said she wanna visit, but all she want is to dick. She said she gave up on love, but she in love with the star. Always rocking the fringe, she thinks she Nicki Minaj. I call her Nicki Minaj because her ass is the fattest. I mean I like the Zulu girls, but I love all the girls. I'm like, oh I love a Zulu girl. Oh I say oh I love a Zulu girl. Damn I love a Zulu girl. Yeah I say damn I love a Zulu girl. We don't wanna one Sunday. We don't wanna one Sunday. Except we don't wanna one Sunday. We don't wanna one Sunday. Except we don't wanna one Sunday. We don't wanna one Sunday. Except we don't wanna one Sunday.
Come on.
We don't wanna one
So,
Sunday.
must flow. Phezu kwe-beats, ey, so is kuphuma i-hits, sidla u-cheats, ey, more cheese, emashowini, siyakhathaza, ngeke usimele, ey, ngama-5, jawuhlala zilele, iphake, thimali igcwele, ey, umswenko, umcebo, kuthina umlahle, ey, ukushela kuthina ihlazo, ey, bayashe, lo managazi, awu bayasife, lo managazi, ey, bosonke, sithatha zonke, maslenda, khalo zonke.
Oh God, it's Major League.
Oh I love a Zulu girl. Oh I say oh.
Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They wanna say. Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They wanna say ungakhuluma ubhontshes mina I'm double HP and thrombus nafukwa party is on 6 I skis or the miss no best we don't mix I'm up to my old tricks bazwil sidle lunch esakhomzil with Betty's sploming no pel no pomzil bafil I can hear you ngisazokuzip imali yakho isazonciphe yamanje shamswenko wamanje turn up yangempela kwamanje everything I do they wanna do. They wanna do. Ungasab, yenze imali. Ungakhali uzosala. Ungasali, sikuchan. Hey wena ngithi sikuchan. Sham swag, ngithi sham swag. Hey wena ungasab, yenze imali. Ungakhali uzosala. Ungasali, sikuchan. Hey wena ngithi sikuchan. Sham swag, ngithi sham swag.
Boss on, anandaba, nehaba, wamasho, semlazi.
Spuna my coins. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. Yeah, it's that Some is too much, is one and no less. It's scree, it's too much, same thing on my threads. I go by my hater, see you later. Bahama on my steps, the hammer get elevator, give you motivator. Hip hop / kwaito / what innovator, but it taste maker. Bambizamo, Ricky or Shia my beat, the head maker. Snyanda wins, tenga my bottle spitty pits. This style suck, Sithole, get it WikiLeaks, Ricky, a lock shin, but it licky. A Cape Town, but it Ricky is very lit. Been in the game for 10 years and I'm still in it. Every time I drop a new star, niggas still in it. But funny beef, if there's a million it. Well, how am I get golf? How is you killing it? My regiment, taking over is imminent. Drop one song per year and stay prevalent. Old niggas saying my name to stay relevant. Spoon on my coins, spoon on my coins. 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 Me and my niggas stacking money to where the ceiling is. The government say I made it like how the villains live. Innocent menaces, living with benefits. Get money, count it up, stack it in innocence. Spoon on my coins, spoon on my coins. 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 I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. Wanna be doing it again. Oh, don't let me do it again. Oh, I can't believe it, oh, I can't believe it. Spoon on my coins, spoon on my coins. 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 You and I till the day we die, baby. You and I till the day we die, baby. You and I till the day we die, baby. You and I till the day we die, baby. Yeah, let's do like this. Yeah, this dedicated to the lady of my life. I'm talking my future wife, my baby. I've been waiting all my life. I know a couple times I just haven't treated you right, but I don't wanna fight. Just wanna show you tonight that I love you. I'm sorry for all the wrong I've done to you. Been a long time since I seen you jabula ish. These days we don't even kabula ish. Where's Ricky? Aula. In the club, spending all the moolah, eh. I was young, got the senya kula. Every time I see you cry, my baby nyatabuga. Gotta change, I was chasing accolades, instead of showing you the better days. I know you probably thought we was done. I'll take a chance if you're giving me one. And tell you to my baby. This land is still